Quick video on this 2020 International MV with a jerr-dan bed. Cummins powered. Very clean truck. We'll turn it off so we can hear a little better. She's covered in a little pollen, but 80,000 miles. No lights, no trouble codes. Air ride seat. Fresh safety inspection. Bluetooth radio, automatic trans, multiple keys, box keys, power options, air ride seat. Seat's in good shape. Jerr-dan steel bed, 6 brand new tires. Light bar on the top. Work lights at the back. Wheel lift. Left and right side toolboxes. Battery disconnect. Onboard air. If you want to run an air hose or a reel, very easy to do. Cummins engine. Alloy wheels. Everybody always wants to see the undersides. Here we go. Airbag rear suspension. No rust. You can see the lines are nice and clean still. Nice truck. Very clean truck. 80,000 miles, freshly serviced and inspected. Tinted windows, color match visor, strobe light bar. 6 brand new tires, clean undercarriage. She's ready to go. This or any of our other tow trucks in stock, give us a call. Let us know how we can help. If you want additional pictures or videos of anything, don't hesitate to reach out. Be more than happy to get those together for you. Davis4x4.com. Thanks for watching.